Well, today we're having fun. We got to set up our trailer a little bit better, and we have a brand new RFX 9,500 pound winch. We have the RFX 10042, which is 9,500 pounds, 5.5 horse. And we got this box laying around so that we can put the winch in. And now that we have our air compressor all rebuilt, we can finally try out our Amazon plasma cutter that we got for $379. Time to cut some stuff up. So that little plasma cutter works pretty good. That is a chunk of 3/8 plate, and it cut it no problem. We were having air pressure problems before, so we couldn't actually run the plasma cutter. You have to have enough air pressure. We were only running 75 to 80 psi through our compressor, and we finally found a new motor, so our compressor is repaired now and doing full pressure. I think it's 120 psi you need to run it. So, works awesome. It's not really fast when you're cutting metal this thick, but it cuts it. And for the home user, it's perfect. It's awesome. Price-wise, you can't beat it. So we cut another plate right there, just for the roller. Cut a hole in the box. We have a winch in the box now. And we have a battery box, and you can throw your tie downs or chains or whatever. That means we don't have to ever unhook the controller for the winch. Everything will stay nice and dry. Love it. We had to get this ready right now. We have vehicles to pick up on Monday. The big block Biscayne build is coming in. But for the, we'll call it the Welder brand, seems to be pretty good. I'll give it a thumbs up.